ex-Hollywood film producer Harvey Weinstein is heading back to New York City to the courtroom today. He's facing a retrial on rape charges. Today's pretrial hearing comes after his 2020 conviction was tossed out over testimony and evidence that an appeals court said that meant he didn't get a fair trial. Weinstein has pleaded not guilty and maintains that any sexual activity was always consensual. NewsNation's Alicia Nieves joins us from New York. Alicia, what can we expect in this pretrial hearing today?
Well, Anna, we can expect that Harvey Weinstein is going to appear in person for this pretrial hearing, again, here in New York. It should start around mid-afternoon. But ahead of it, Weinstein's lawyers say it's a new trial, a new day, and his life is on the line once again. He wants a chance to prove his innocence. Of course, we do know that he was found guilty of multiple sexual assault charges in 2020. But then just last month, New York's highest court decided to toss out that conviction, erase his 23-year sentence, and give prosecutors another shot at trying the former film mogul. This time, though, without all the testimony from, quote, uncharged alleged prior acts against persons other than the complainants. Essentially, most, if not all, of the women who testified on Weinstein's alleged pattern of sexual assault should not have been able to testify. Only the accusers in this case. So, with far less stacked against him, Weinstein's defense says they are ready to go to trial again if it comes to that. And there is a big question of whether this goes all the way to trial again. The first alleged victim, Mimi Haley, her lawyer, Gloria Allred, says that Haley hasn't decided whether she wants to actually testify at retrial, noting that doing so at the first trial was so painful and traumatizing. NewsNation's Rich McHugh actually also spoke exclusively with the other alleged victim in this case, Jessica Mann. And here's what she has to say about potentially testifying again.
But I'm not afraid, and I just want to weigh what the result's going to be for me personally at the end of it, because I do have some questions, you know, like how much time counts that he's already served for my charge, and what do we gain by reconvicting him.
So you heard Mann there again saying she's 99% sure she's going to testify, just unsure what good it's actually going to do. Remember, the charges against, or in her case, are the lesser charges against Weinstein. The prosecution really needs the testimony of Mimi Haley to make the bulk of their case. If the result of today's pretrial hearing is that there is enough evidence to move forward, both sides are ready, we expect that trial sometime after or around Labor Day, Anna.
Gosh, really ripping off the scabs of some old wounds for a lot of women. Alicia Nieves, thank you for that report.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.